Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to block time on Fresha application. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Fresha app. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Fresha if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the bottom of the screen, we have your calendar where we are at the moment. We have these sales. When you click on the plus button, we have the appointment, group appointment, block time, sale, quick payment. We have, as you can see, the client list. We have, of course, everything about your profile here. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and block time on Fresha application. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps. First of all, click on the plus button here. Here you have appointment, group appointment, blocked time, sales, quick payment. You just need to go and click on block time. And then, as you can see, select a time to block appeared in the top side of your screen. Then you just need to go and click on the time on the schedule which you want to go and block. So add block time, custom, new block time, lunch. You have some, of course, training and meeting and stuff like that. You can put the title, date, time, team member, who is, of course, doing that, frequency, description. And then when you go and everything, click save. And your time will be blocked that you, of course, chose. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.